Okay, we are back in Dead Space 3. Only remember we boarded a ship. That's all I can remember. I don't remember what the ship was called. It's SS Minnow Johnson? Most likely not. Change suit, upgrade rig. I really want to change suit, but I don't have another suit. Hit points. Can upgrade my stasis duration. Range. Oh. You know what? Kinesis range. Yeah, we might as well. Alright. That's it. I'm gonna be saving my scrap metal. Wow. I found more. Alright. I completely forgot what was going on. Okay, we're trying to find something. Oh, this is the Terra Nova. Oh, okay. I remember now. Now, if I come across a side mission again, I'm gonna put it in a separate video. Possibly side missions. Or side quests is the playlist. I'm hoping you can hear me. I can hardly hear the game. Hang on, I gotta turn some volume.
Warning. Power reserves are on standby. Cargo functions are offline.
Warning. I don't give a rat's butt crack. I am on a mission.
Ship recorder on. All hands stand by for deceleration.
I don't have to worry about
Edwards,
talking
on your mark.
Roger that, Val.
all the time, because I think I dealt with a mic static issue.
You got it, darling.
Just got a different mic.
Whoa! Easy now. The Love Boat has arrived. I'd like to thank y'all for flying the Terra Nova. Welcome to the ass end of the universe.
Okay, everyone, time to shake the lead out. Sikowski, hail Admiral Graves. Kettle, report to Cradle Ops. This is your show now. Let's deploy the ships.
It's a fitting name for the Admiral, because he ended up creating a mass grave. One rate of fire plus. Okay, text read. Let's see. Transcript again. Scaff isk. Terra Nova. Lichter Sam Kettle. Admiral Graves requesting specimen transfer from planet CMS Crozier, CMS Franklin en route. What the hell is going on? We're a resupply ship, not a zoo. Something Varley Diaz. Transfer confirmed. Sorry, Sam, my hands are tied. Let's just make sure that the stuff stays confined to storage. Double up on quarantine checks. Transcript in. Yeah, much good that did, y'all. Oh, I remember this. Dead Space 2 flashbacks. Oh, found it.
Isaac here. It looks like our shuttle's in the aft section of the ship. I'm updating our locators now.
Okay, just tell me it'll get us to the nearest shipping lane.
If we can get it spaceworthy again. Judging from the diagnostic, it's a real piece of shit.
We can get it to work, can't we?
We're swimming in a sea of spare parts. I can get it to fly.
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna have to find a workbench again. I wonder if I can put the line gun and as an underbarrel of this rifle. Because I turned the shotgun into a rifle. I know I said shotgun may be New Bay, but I kind of like range, and in case we come across any more human foes, I want to be able to have... I have no idea what I just picked up, because I didn't look. I need to get to a workbench anyway. Oh. Dick. You dick. Oh, they had to do that. I nearly jumped out of my drawers on that one. Dicktards. Whoa. I'm gonna hold off on picking that up for now. Actually, no. I changed my mind. Instead, I am going to drop to that and pick this up and leave that for in case I need it. Scaff. I'm hearing fools. Oh! Wow. Come back. Oh yeah, that's right. This is how you sprint. What the heck? Hydraulic engine. What is this part used for? Ooh. I don't know why I got that as a trophy. Okay. So I probably should have kept it as a shotgun. Hindsight being 20 freaking 20. Locked door. Fun. Not really, but, you know. Oh.
Huh. Wow. An old scavenger bot. This'll come in handy.
Wait, what? Scavenger bot. Okay, so that's... So up brings out the scavenger bot. Oh. We'll find resources and return them to the bench. Oh. Find anything good? So we gotta go that way. Oh, hello. Get your cheeks over here. Alright, where'd my new buddy go? Buddy? Well. Oh, I see. He's gonna go. The scavenger bot's gonna go to the workbench. And so, which means I'll retrieve him when I get to the next. Sorry, you want to try that again? Ow! I just got splooged. Aha! Oh, not these things. Oh boy. Okay. I activate? Yeah! I tried to freaking activate it, you motherfucker. Okay, so now, when those things get near, I have a thing where I can, like, swing a freaking hammer at them. Interesting. Oh. Huh. Yeah, I don't think I like that. I am switching it back. Oh, the shotgun can not have an underbarrel. Alright. Okay. I get it. Alright. That kind of sucks. Shotgun can't have an underbarrel. Sam, we have to check this out. We got an image from Tim and Karen plant side of what they think they are, blah 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 blah. If you want to read all this, you can. I am just gonna continue onward. Got my oh goodness. Goodness gracious. Shotgun has a terrible rate of fire. Again, I changed my mind. Okay. This time, no fooling around. Ooh. With the high rate of fire. Yep, knew it. Oh, what? Sneak up on me? Okay. Oh, what the? Get up! Okay. So this rifle ain't doing too bad, actually. Huh. I thought I was gonna suck against them, but apparently it's actually not doing bad. Huh. Though it's not an automatic fire, it's semi-auto, but... Oh! That reload chip plus damage will actually be useful, but I'm going to get to that when I find a different workbench. Die! Oh. Good thing they permit close quarters combat. Now we're gonna call the train.
Warning. Collision detected. Please report to cradle operations to remove the obstruction.
Guys, something's blocking the tram system.
Cradle lock should be nearby. You can see the tracks from there.
Thanks, Buckle. I'll check it out.
Buckle. I don't like these sounds. Should probably just switch to the classic to beat this one. Spare parts box. Can I open this? Nope. How am I doing on... Oh, crap. I'm not doing too well on health. Guys? I think I might be screwed. Oh. Never mind. Just picked up a health pack. And there's a workbench here. Yippee-ki-yay. Mosakra. Oh. My buddy has returned with some goodies. Oh. Let's see, can I make any... Interesting. Reload and damage. Lower tool. We can add rate of fire. Okay, craft items, let's see. Tungsten torque bar. Alright. Now let's take a look at our inventory. Okay, now we're pretty good on health. Turn the time being.
Okay, I see the problem now. Someone left a bunch of cargo on the tracks.
Can you clear it?
I should be able
Whoa,
to.
what the heck?
I'll get to that shuttle in the F
Compact
section one way or another.
directional ejection? I'll let y'all pause and read it. I am not going to read. Besides, I'm going to quickly get rid of this thing that they just threw in my inventory for craps and giggles. Ooh, excuse me. Alright. Getting out of here. We're getting the cuff out of here. Oh, what? Do not stack. Oh, wait, I gotta play freaking Tetris with this. Apparently, yeah, I gotta play freaking Tetris. Yep, Tetris. Okay. So far... No, that ain't gonna work. That would. Okay. One of them has a, one of them has a little, necromorph dude on it. Oh no, don't tell me that's one of those, like,
Warning. Cargo fault in Bay 4. Containment breach detected. Biological anomalies. Obstruction cleared. Resuming normal tram operations.
missed me. I really hate the acid spinners because it really slows you down. Oh, I didn't even hear this.
Hey, Commander. You there?
If you're
No.
gonna ask about the cryo boxes, forget it.
Cryo boxes. These are coffins, Deeds. They're freezing soldiers on the planet and stowing them in our cargo hold. What's the story?
You know I can't talk about it.
Valerie, come on.
Death
You
by
only
Bunga
remember?
Bunga?
Look, I don't know much more than you do. It's the deep dig teams. They send them into that godforsaken hole and... well, when they come back, there's something wrong. Look, just get them stowed. I've got Mahad breathing down my neck.
Fine. But this
Mahad?
isn't going to end well. Mark my words.
Mahad. It's Mahad. Right? Oh, you... Oh. Ah! We're falling. Free falling. We're free falling. And when free falling. Just okay. Sorry, free falling for that long. Isaac's legs would have been broken. It's not exactly a new chapter, but seems like a pretty good place to end the video. So I will see you in the next video of whatever I post. Until then, have fun, y'all.
Hey, Mr. Politician, living on that hill, living in that life of luxury on we the people's bill. Don't have a clue how the other half lives, and that is a shame. It's time to stop the tyranny. You keep pushing through your bills. Going for a revolution, going for it now. It's time to save our Constitution while we still got the guns in our hands. Going for a revolution, going for it now. It's time to save our Constitution while we still got the guns in our hands. While we still got the guns, still got the guns in our hands.
Hee. I was not about to sing Elmo's World.